Well, traders have been talking a lot about tech stocks on the show. Joining us now is Joe Tegay of Equity Armor Investments. Joe, a big move in the NASDAQ yesterday. What's behind this move?
We're seeing tech really lead the way. And for me, it's just a continuation of the same. Yes, there's a new government, but the powers that are moving the market continue to be the stimulus coming out of Washington, D.C. We're expecting up to $2 trillion in COVID stimulus coming soon. And of course, we have low interest rates out of the Fed. And that's going to continue to power these big cap tech companies who are benefiting off of both the stimulus and, of course, the low interest rates. And nothing is changing in the market as we continue to steam on forward.
What about the VIX? We saw a big dip in the VIX.
Yeah, we're coming in. We're on the lower end of its range. We're at 22, give or take, right now for the volatility index. It's been range bound from the 20 on the low end, 25 on the high end. We've seen a little bit of a couple of peaks above 25, but for the past 3 months, it's been about 22 to 25, and it's kind of figuring out where we are in this range. Now, that if you remember volatility of 2 years ago, like I do, this would still be considered elevated volatility. Of course, since last March, this is on the lower end of the range of volatility. And I think we just need to find this new normal for the VIX. Remember, low interest rates cause higher volatility. We have low interest rates, there should be higher volatility. And of course, when you get asset prices with valuations that are high, you get PE ratios such as they are now, the margin for error for these companies to justify these high asset prices are lower, so you can naturally see more volatility that way. So for my money, this is the new normal range for the VIX, 20 to 25. We're going to have to get used to that for the time being while we have these low interest rates and these high asset prices.
Great trader talk. Thanks so much, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.